Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to link your GCash to your Steam wallet in 2025. So step 1, log into your Steam account and click on your username at the top right and select account details. Step 2, click the plus add funds to your Steam wallet. This will take you to the payment options page. Step 3, choose GCash as your payment method. It may be listed under DragonPay or PayMongo depending on your region. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to add to your Steam wallet and click Continue. Step 5. You will be directed to a secure GCash portal. Log in using your mobile number and enter the OTP and confirm the payment. Step 6. Once successful, you'll be redirected back to Steam with the updated wallet balance. Make sure that your GCash wallet has enough funds before starting the process. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.